This video will cover the quotient rule with negative exponents, problem type 1. Now we have seen the quotient rule before, and we worked it out a little bit differently, so I'm going to show you the exponential rule that's always true, now that we know how to work with negative exponents. So the quotient rule is this. If I have a is any real number, and r and s are integers, then if I have a to the r over a to the s, it becomes a to the r minus s. And this kind of makes sense, right? If I've got 2 cubed over 2 squared, that's 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, right? These two cancels, that becomes 2 to the first. Well, 3 minus 2 is 1. So this also works if I have negative exponents, right? So if I have k to the 7th divided by k to the negative 12th, that's k to the 7 minus s. Well, s is negative 12. That would give me k to the 19th. Now you might have been tempted to use the rule to push that to the numerator. That would have given you k to the 7th, k to the 12th, and it would have gotten you to the 19th as well, right? So if I have 2 to the 7th over 2 to the negative 3, that's 2 to the 7th minus a negative 3. Two negatives make a positive, so I have 2 to the 7 plus 3, which is 2 to the 10th. Let's do a couple more examples, this time with double negatives. So if I have x to the negative 6 divided by x to the negative 4, that becomes x to the negative 6 minus a negative 4. Negative 6 minus a negative, that's negative 6 plus 4. That'd be x to the negative 2. Oh, but how do I feel about negative exponents? So I have a long list of things that make mathematicians say ooh. And one of those is negative exponent, so I say ooh, and I push that to the denominator using our negative exponent rule. If I have w to the negative 8 over w to the negative 13, that becomes w to the negative 8 minus a negative 13, which is w to the negative 8 plus 13, which becomes w to the 5th for our final answer.